This video will explain how to use images as background images for either the body of a web page or for individual elements, such as divs. As always, we have to have the image we want to use stored in our file system before we can use it as a background image. We apply a background image using a style rule called background-image or just simply background. First, let's start by applying some generic styles to our body. Here we can see we've changed the default text of our body, the default font size, the text color, and the alignment has been changed to center. Now, let's take a look at the image that we want to use as our background image before we actually apply the style rule. This is the image we want to use as our background image for our page. Keep this in mind as we apply the background using the background image style. We apply a background image with this rule. We can use background-image as the rule or just simply background. The value of this is always going to be the URL followed by parentheses and in double quotes the path to the image file. Our image file is stored in a folder called images, and inside that folder its name is coding background and it has an extension of .jpg. Let's reload our page and see our background image. Reloading our page shows us that we do have the correct background image, but we only have a very small portion of it. This image is a high-resolution image, so we only see part of it on our small web page. Let's try to add some additional styles to make this look a little bit better. The first step we'll take is to make sure we tell the background image not to repeat. This repeat value can either be no repeat, repeat-x, or repeat-y. By default, the background will repeat in both the x and y direction. Putting no repeat will tell the background image we only want it to appear once and we don't want it to repeat. We can also use an additional size called background-size cover. When we reload the page, we'll see that this causes our entire background image to be shown on our page. This looks a lot better than just having this top left-hand corner as our background. We can use different values for background size as well. Background size auto, cover, contain, stretch, or a width and height in pixels are possible values for this style. Additionally, there are styles we can use to control the background position. Here, if we set background position top, nothing on our page will change. However, changing the background position value to left will change how our background image looks on the page. It's always best when working with background images to try and play with these styles a little bit, your background size and background position, to make sure you get it to a point where it looks the way you want to on your web page. In this particular case, using our only style background size cover will give us the look that we want. Generally, this will be the case, but you should be aware of background repeat, background size, and background position styles.